So we made it to Thormanby. Probably pronouncing that wrong. It's a bit of a funny pronunciation. Beautiful white sandy beach over here. Huge mansion right there. It's amazing. Right there. So right behind there you can see Mount Aerosmith. And we haven't been to shore yet because the plan was to just get to the boat and start organizing. But as you can tell, it's just gorgeous. We came in last night. We made a mistake. We wanted to go fishing at the last minute, so we came in the dark. And we came into this anchorage in the dark and never anchoring here before. It was really quite nerve-wracking. So that giant monster ship there, yacht, just came in this morning. I mean, look at the size of that. Just, you know, $1 million yacht right there. You know, overlooking $1 million properties. I imagine these properties are probably worth a fortune too. But as you can tell, it's just pretty darn cool here. I mean, just one of many really cool places, right? So when we came in last night, there were definitely a lot more boats here. Some of them left this morning, but it's just a little piece of paradise. And we're slowly organizing the boat. Good old Boss Coon here. Hey, boss. What do you think, buddy? Cockpit. Just amazing. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think of boat life? Hey, Captain Boss. So this is the other side of Thormanby. Beautiful. And then this is in Buccaneer Bay. It's all through here. And that seems to be the private part. So, how's boat life treating you so far then, Mrs. Pope?
Oh, that's our boat over there. Shiny.
It's the most beautiful boat in the harbor. No, I'm not, because I'm in the shade.
See? Look at your foot.
Oh, my foot's on fire!